So you have set up your dropshipping store and found some great products, but now you are stuck, right? And your question is, how do I get people to actually visit my site and buy without spending money on ads? You know, most people think the hardest part is creating the store, getting the website up and running, but honestly, that's the easiest part. The real challenge is getting people to your store and getting them to actually buy your product. And if you are thinking you need to spend big bucks on Facebook ads or Google ads, then relax, you don't have to. Because in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can promote your dropshipping store with a little to no budget. No fancy ads, no huge marketing budgets, just straight up smart and free ways to get your products in front of people. Alright, first thing first, you need to use the power of organic content. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, they are all huge platforms right now where you can post short form content for free. And guess what? You don't even need a fancy camera or anything. You can literally just use your smartphone. Here's the thing, people are scrolling on these apps all day, and if you can get their attention for even a few seconds, you have won yourself a potential customer. So what I do and what I still do is take my product, make a quick video showing it in action, explaining its benefits, or just doing something fun or relatable with it. Maybe something funny or a small demo that shows why this product is awesome. But don't expect instant results. It takes time to build up momentum. The more you post, the more you increase your chances of going viral or at least getting some views. And even if you don't go viral, if your content is good, people will start recognizing your store, which will slowly drive traffic and sales. Plus, TikTok and Reels have an insane algorithm that can make your content reach the right audience with minimal efforts on your part. And guess what? It's all free. Now I know a lot of people get stuck thinking they need a professional setup to start creating content. But in reality, you don't need any of that. Seriously, people will respond to authentic, real content way more than some overproduced ads. So just work with what you have got. If you have got a phone with a decent camera, you are good to go. Just make sure the lighting is decent, means natural lighting or work. Just make sure the lighting is decent. Start filming your product in use, showing how they can solve problems, just showing their features. That's really simple. And if you don't know what kind of content you make, just look at what's trending, find some challenges or popular trends on TikTok or Reels, and then add your products into this mix. That way you can take advantage of current hype. Plus, you will start to understand what works for your audience. And as you probably know, dropshipping is one of the easiest way to start an online business, but finding reliable suppliers and managing inventory can be a head catcher. But Doba takes care of all of that for you. So how Doba works? Doba connects you with a network of vetted suppliers, offering millions of products to sell without ever having to manage inventory yourself. When a customer places an order, Doba notifies the suppliers who handle the packaging and shipping directly to your customer. That means you won't have to worry about stock management, warehousing, or fulfillment. And getting started is really simple. You just create an account, browse their products catalog, and select the items you want to sell. Doba integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce websites like Shopify, Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and many more. You can list product directly from Doba catalog and manage everything from one place. One of the biggest challenges in dropshipping is finding reliable suppliers with fast shipping. Doba solved that by partnering with trusted suppliers, many of whom are based in the US, ensuring faster delivery times and higher customer satisfaction. Doba also offers powerful tools to help you succeed, including automated order fulfillment, real-time inventory updates, and insight into trending products. You can easily track orders, manage your inventory, and even analyze sales trends to identify top-selling products. And the best part, Doba has a flexible pricing structure. You can start with a $0.99 trial plan, giving you full access to their features before committing to a full membership. So start your dropshipping journey with Doba today. It's the perfect platform to streamline your business, automate fulfillment, and scale without worrying about inventory or suppliers. Check out Doba through the link in the description and take your dropshipping business to the next level. Alright, now let's move to our third step. Now don't forget Instagram and Pinterest. For Instagram, just post product photos, behind the scene content, or customer reviews. Use hashtags to get noticed. Pinterest is perfect for visual content. Create pins for your products and link them directly to a store. Both platforms bring free traffic if you are stay consistent. Another free method is email marketing. When you are just starting, email marketing is the best way to stay in touch with people who are interested in your product. You can offer discounts, tell them about new products, or just keep them updated on what's happening in your store. So what you can do is start building an email list by offering some kind of incentive like a small discount or a free guide in exchange for their email. Then just send them value-packed emails that make them want to buy. Also, don't forget about your social media community. Building a relationship with your followers is just as important as getting them to buy your products. So what you can do is respond to their comments, DMs, and keep them engaged. The more you engage with your audience, the more likely they are to purchase from you. And that's it. Promoting a dropshipping store without a budget is not impossible. Focus on content, be consistent, and use the right tools like Doba to streamline everything. So start posting today, don't stress about ads, and watch your store grow. And also don't forget to watch this video on my channel if if you want to learn more about Doba. So see you into next one.